Okay, so what have we been up to on the SPL language? I've made a few changes. I've added an entry point. Oh, don't know what I did there. What did I click there? So the program now starts here at this point, and I'm going to do this all as like modules. I fancy doing it this way. Probably not a good way of doing it, but that's what's in my head. We can then add modules outside of the main, and then call them inside. It all works. Not that much code. Lots of little bits had to be added to get this to work. The code's all on GitHub as usual. So here we got we've created a module add, which is going to add A and B together. Really exciting. We're going to return A and B, and then the module ends. A bit like a class, I suppose, but I'm doing it this way. Module multiply, so we can multiply A and B, and then we simply call that, declare an integer x equals add 2 and 3, which hopefully will give us the answer of 5, and then we can do the same with the multiply, where we're going to add 2 times 34, declare a string, then we simply print out the x from here, so we get the what name, print out the age here from there, and then we can actually tie that all together because we can concatenate. I think I've learned how to say that word now, the string, to get the result. If we press the green button, hopefully it won't crash, and there we go. X equals 5, age is 68, blah 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 blah. All works nicely, and it starts at this line here. It enters here, and then it pulls these into that, so as it can execute them. Changes had to be made, obviously, to we had to add it into the tokens. So we've added these two into tokens, then we've added them into the unordered map, so we got use of them there. We had to add a run module here to get the information that we required for that. That was in there. That doesn't make any difference in here. This is where we had to make the most changes to get this to work. A little bit of error handling in there as well. I'm not going to go through it because it's too difficult to read. A lot of it's commented, not as much as I'd like, but a lot of it's commented to give you the idea where I'm going with it. I've literally just started to work on while loops, so the next thing will be we will be able to, in here, we will be able to have a while loop, so we could do, you know, count from 1 to 10 and print it out on here or something. That's what I'm working on now. It's going to be a few days, I think, before I get it anywhere reasonable to show it. Anyhow, this fun little project's really keeping me out of mischief. Thanks for watching if you did.